guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Geraldine. And today's video, nakikita nyo naman na I'm done with my makeup, with my false lashes, and everything else. But one thing that I forget is my kilay. So as we all know, kilay is life. So yung iba is very blessed to have their kilays on fleek. Yung iba naman, kagaya ko, is manipis yung kilay. So, all we need to do is to draw that kilay. Yun, iniiba na lang natin, drawing, yung iba tinatattoo. Yung sa akin, I don't like tattoo. Anyway, I'm not against with tattoo, but for me, ayoko na lang ng tattoo. So, all I did was to draw the kilay. So, marami namang mga products for kilays. Let's say, for example, this eyeliner, eyebrow pencil is pwede to sa kilay. Pero, yung mas bagay sa akin at mas hiyang sa akin, which is ito. So, this is from LA Girl. So, uso na ngayon yung gel liner. Kasi yung gel liner is, ano siya, pang matagalan at, yung depende kasi yun sa preferences mo. Ito yung gusto ko. So, all I need is this one, the gel liner from LA Girl, the shade of brown. So, ito siya. Ito siya sa laman. See? So, then, I have an angle brush. And also, I have a brow cara. Of course, a highlighter to clean up all the mess. Anyway, it's not an highlighter. Sorry, it's not an highlighter. All you have is a concealer to clean up all the mess. I repeat, it's not an highlighter. It's a concealer. And this one, I don't know what's because this is my brush. Ito yung brush ko para sa kilay ko. I don't like spoolie. Ewan ko, di ko siya feel. And also, a small brush for the highlighter. So, to start off, ito yung first na ginagamit ko. So, this is my angle brush. And, kukuha lang ako ng small amount ng this one, the gel liner. So, kuha lang ako ng konti. Okay, close up ko konti yung ko. So, kuha lang ako ng mirror. Kuha ako ng small amount here. And, so, ang una kong ginagawa is, hinahanap ko yung, and dito. Ito yung last part ng may buhok. Okay, ito ha. This is it. So, all I did is, mag-outline ako. So, ito yung ginagawa ko. This is my outline here. So, pagka abot mo ng dulo is pinibend mo ng konti. Yun. Then dito din sa taas, lagyan mo din dito. Then, pagkatapos mo sa edge, i-bend mo siya. Like that. So, may outline ka na. And next step is, i-fill in mo lang ang mga walang buhok. Diba? Yan lang. Fill in mo lang yan. Yan. Don't worry about sa mga na may mga mess dyan kasi nga lilinisin natin mamaya. So, lagyan dito. Then, yan kasi yan. Pwede pala siya. Okay, you have to brush pa ganyan. Para parang may buhok siya. Like that. And, next step is, kukuha ka ng brush. Yung brush ko ito. So, this is my brush. Ito yung ginagamit ko as my brush. So, brush up po dito, ganyan. Para parang may buhok talaga siya at natural na natural. Yan. Ganyan. See? So, iba talaga kung may kilay at saka wala. Diba? So, it's so different. So, next step is, kukuha ka ng ito. This is the concealer. Kuha ka ng small amount ng concealer. Ito. Kuha ka. Then, lilinisin mo siya. So, all you need to do is to clean. You clean it here. You start here. Like that. Yan. So, you start like that. And, clean natin ng konti. Para mukha siyang natural. See? All the mess in life. Charot. So, malinis na siya tignan. See? So, malinis na siya tignan. So, ang next step is, gagamit ako ng Brow Cara. So, this is my Brow Cara. This is from the Face Shop. And the shade, I don't know what the shade of this, but ito yung kulay niya. Kung ano yung nasa takip niya, ito yung kulay niya. So, this one. Just brush up like this. Parang may buhok siya sa end. Parang natural lang. Then, dinadown ko ng konti. Then, like that. See? So, may kilay na ako. So, sa ano naman, sa kabila. Okay. Next, sa kabila, kuha ka naman konti again ng product. And, ito na naman tayo. Ito sa tip. Here, then bend. See? Then dito. Bend. May edge. May ano ka na, outline ka na. Fill in mo lang to. See? Then, brush mo lang siya. Pa ganyan. Para parang may buhok. Ganyan. Then, ano ba? Brush again. Lagyan natin ng konting drama yung buhok natin. Konting drama. And, again, clean it up by using the concealer. Clean all the mess. And, sorry. Not like that. Disclaimer lang po, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Ito ay natutunan ko sariling sikap and through YouTube din. So, yung iba natutunan sa mga YouTube vlogs. Ako din, natutunan ko din sa YouTube vlogs. Yan. Linisan mo lang yan. See? Ang ganda pag may kilay. Iba talaga pag may kilay. And the Brow Cara. Don't forget the Brow Cara. So, this is it. This is my kilay. And Diba mas maganda kung may kilay? Anyway, may kilay ka man o wala, lahat tayo ay maganda. We are all beautiful in different ways, and we are all beautiful in our own right. So, and I hope that you all do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope that you love this new videos that I uploaded, and I hope that I will hear anything from you, any comments, suggestions, interactions with me. And to those nga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click that bell button to be updated if I do uploaded a new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.